Oh, my phone's pretending to ring. Hello? Hello, mate. Yes. Yeah, I'm just pretending to be on the phone for this YouTube video. I'm doing a Galaxy A10 review. Lots of other YouTubers pretend to use the phone when on camera, so I thought I'd do the same. Yeah, I know what you mean, yeah. Oh, mate, bye. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have the Galaxy A10, £120, perfect gift, really cheap, but do not be fooled by how cheap this smartphone is. It's actually better than you might think. So the Galaxy A10 has a pretty simple design with a nice plastic back. Doesn't have any scratches on it after a week's use, so that tells me the plastic is fairly hard wearing as well. Doesn't have any fingerprint sensor at the back of the smartphone. The device is fairly slim as well. You'll also see it has a micro USB connector, which may put a few people off, but this is a really budget smartphone from Samsung. It still looks and feels really nice and comfortable. The display is an HD Plus TFT panel with only a 720p resolution, but the display still looks really nice and really crisp with the Infinity V display, a 6.2 inch screen as well. And you can make use of more of the screen if you do get rid of the navigation buttons there at the bottom. You can change from buttons to gestures as well, so you squeeze a little bit more room out. But the look and feel of the A10 is brilliant for what, 120, 130 pounds. Having used fingerprint sensors for a long time, it's a bit strange when you go to a device without it. So you have to make use of Face ID or PIN or password unlock. So Face ID does work, and it works pretty much 9 times out of 10. Even in darker conditions, the device does brighten up and display your face. So unlocking it shouldn't really be a problem. In darker conditions, then it does maybe take a little bit longer than usual. So the A10 has an octa-core CPU, 32GB of storage and 2GB of RAM. It has the Exynos 7885 chip as well. I was expecting quite sluggish performance from the A10, but I was pleasantly surprised. Applications open fairly quickly as well. Here's a little test here. RAM management seems to be great as well, because reopening them applications were super quick, so it holds it there in memory. And then you can close all apps down. I also installed Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt 9. Asphalt 9 is compatible with this device. I ran Call of Duty on low graphical settings and kept Asphalt 9 at default settings. Obviously, you're not going to get incredible graphical quality because obviously it's on low graphics. Anything higher than that, if you try and push it, then you're probably going to get a bit of lag here and there. But on the whole, gaming experience was pretty good. Ooh. So the Galaxy A10 has a 3400 mAh battery, 6.2 inch display, 720p. I wasn't expecting amazing battery life going on what the A40 was, because the A40 wasn't that great in terms of battery life. But this has got me 8 hours. This smartphone got me 8 hours and a couple of 7 hours here and there as well. So battery life on this for me was brilliant. It was really good. So the A10 has a simple camera setup, 13 on the rear and 5 on the front. There's no live focus either, so it's pretty much basic camera setup on this device. So don't expect amazing bokeh effect photos or really good sharp vivid photos, but it does a pretty decent job. It has the 2x magnification as well on photo and video, and here are some sample pictures and videos for you to look at. So this is the front-facing camera on the Galaxy A10. One of the cheapest smartphones that Samsung do, and I mean, natural light right in front of the window, and the quality looks fantastic for the, for such a budget device. But you have to hold it quite far away, at arm's length, to get a decent sort of capture, because it's quite cropped and in your face. Could be a little bit wide at the angle of the lens, but other than that, hasn't been much of a problem really. So that's light, and we're going to a bit dark here, and you can see it softens and it gets a little bit grainy, doesn't it? And my hair looks black and it ain't. But it's a cheap device. We walk into here. That's a hell of a lot better. So we'll do the same test with the video indoors. So this is natural light in here, and the quality is decent. That's good. And obviously when we go out, a little bit darker, we'll get a little softer in terms of quality and grainy. But yeah, I mean, this still doesn't look too bad. Stabilization's pretty good. Yeah. So let me show you the 2x optical zoom it has on this smartphone. So at the moment, this is just the standard zoom. And if I click it now, boom, 2x. That's pretty good. That is pretty good, isn't it? Out again, boom. Yeah, that does it really well. I think you'd agree the camera performance is pretty decent for the price. You do struggle sometimes when you're trying to capture moving objects or people. This was 2x magnification, bit of blur in there because they're moving all the time. But steady shots like that was pretty decent. So this pretty much concludes the review of the Galaxy A10, guys. What do you guys think of this smartphone? Comments down below would be great. I think if you're on a tight budget and you want a phone you can rely on, this is definitely one of them. Performance is good. It can play the latest games as well on low settings, but you can still get a pretty decent gaming experience out of this smartphone. Battery life is great. The design, display, and the way it feels is great as well. I can't really find much of a negative in regards to this smartphone. You get what you pay for, £120 to £130. Maybe camera performance could be slightly better, but on the whole, a damn good phone. Thanks for watching, guys. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.